Hi guys, I'm happy to do another flipped over overhead video about my new planner. So I redesigned this one in Amazon. So this is from Shopify and you can get the coil, and it's a blank paper and this design. It says I love to grow planner. Then here are the two channels that are about language learning. Polyglot Mona, you have 15 series about different topics like happiness, health, relaxation, learning, planning, books and so on. And they all have, like, there's 6 playlists for every topic, and each playlist is one language, so German, English, French, Spanish, Italian and Russian. And on Polyglot Pocket Love It you have bilingual videos. There are 30 playlists, because when you combine 6 languages in a combination of 2, then that makes 30 combinations. So I will do a short flip through. That's my first week in this planner. I got it last weekend and I met my son who received it on Sunday, and that's when I started. No, I started on Monday. And today is Saturday, so basically it's not a whole week. But I started the first week in German. I will do the second week in English, the third week in French, and so on. That's my key. Yeah, I have some things in English because I wasn't sure if I wanted it in English completely, or English and German, or all the languages. So it's a bit mixed at the moment. So the key says what color code are used. So blue for journaling, red is priorities, dark green is health and relaxation, miscellaneous is orange, routines is brown, appointments black, and learning is turquoise or light blue. So you can see that I journaled much. I wrote the date and day in orange because, well, it's not really an appointment, it's just a day, so it's miscellaneous. I'm marked in green what I did, because basically this is a written, a long form to-do list mixed with journaling. That's what I'm doing at the moment. And then here are the things I combined in my salad, because I do OMAD now, so 1 meal a day, also sugar-free. And well, I started on Sunday. Let's say I started on Monday, because I don't know where Sunday is. Because I used so many notebooks as journals and planners, and I didn't stay in them. But this is the first one I will stay in, because I have a personal connection with it. It's my most important channels, and the motto I have, and the woman I want to be, who is full of energy and free and happy and open and tolerant and versatile. So this was what was in my salad. So it's basically fish and corn and beans, and edamame is also beans, and onions and hummus and mozzarella. And I drank a big smoothie. I do that every day. I've done that for more than a month. The smoothie is, they first thought it's not healthy because it's torn, and then the fiber is not that good anymore, but it's good. It's not that good as if you bite in an apple and then after that you eat some raspberries or whatever, but it's good. I visited my dad because I sold something on eBay and the parcels and packages are in his apartment. I do a live nearly every day except Sunday. The days of the week, in the long run, I want them always the same. So I want Monday German, Tuesday English, Wednesday French, Thursday Spanish, Friday Italian and Saturday Russian. And those are the kinds of things I do, or more or less the apps I use or whatever. So this is, I write a that means I script in a document. It's on Google and then I translate it into the other languages and I share it with my teachers. If you need a teacher, in my description you will find a link to italki and you will get, I think, $5 or $10 for free, and I also will get the same amount. So thank you for using the italki link. And after that, when it's corrected, then I can make an ebook from each of the columns in the table, because there are always 6 columns for the 6 languages, so that the text is next to each other, so that the teachers can use either language to compare. If they think that a sentence doesn't make sense, they can read it in another language they might know. And my ebooks, so I have to group those. I want to do that now because sometimes I have ideas and then I say, oh, I have to do that later, and then I forget it. So let me check where's first. Yeah, I used it a lot. I think it might be full in a couple of weeks. So I'm already on page 32. And today's already, no, it's still the 24th of August. And I use it like this now, because then I don't have the problem with the coil on the right side. And what I want to do is I want to group those, so I have to think about how to group them. So this is KDP on Amazon, and then the Canva, which is then the PDF, this group. So first group is Doc and Kindle. Second group is PPTX or Canva, and then from that PDF. Depends on, this is the Polyglot Pocket Love It series, the bilingual, and the Canva is Polyglot Mona. So it's always designed, and the other one, the bilingual, is just, then I go to Keynote also. Keynote. Didn't write that down. So the second group goes then to Shopify. Those are my Shopify ebooks. So I sell the ebooks on Shopify. And then the JPEG, MP3 and MP4. Oh no, that's not over there. I will put that here. So I always use a friction pen because it's erasable, and it's in my Amazon affiliate link, which is the first link in every description. So, and where do I sell? Well, on YouTube I also get some money up, but yeah, the Patreon. Okay, I'll also sell the videos on Patreon. So that's group 3. And it goes to Patreon. I get some money on YouTube as well, but not from the eBooks so far, or on the videos in 6 languages. I get money from YouTube on my German account. It's also linked in my description. So then this Shopify I don't have to repeat. And eBay, those are the same products sorry, as on Shopify. But on Shopify are some fan products, so merch, that are not on eBay. And the KDP also has now. I will have my new planner on the 31st of October. I think when this video is published, you can already pre-order it. So check that out. I will link it below. I wonder if I can have an Amazon affiliate link to my own ebook or planner. I think that's possible. So it might be on my Amazon affiliate link, which is a collection of my favorite products. And eBay is here, yes. And on eBay I also have my lessons. So on each platform there's if you want to imagine it like a diagram like this. So I think like this, more or less. So on Amazon, get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. I have those affiliate links and there are a lot of products I like. But there's also a planner. No, the planner is only available as it's the planner that is published on the 31st of October. But on Amazon you can also get my eBooks, the Polyglot Mona and Polyglot Parquet eBooks. So they are here in the center. And where you can get them also is on Shopify. But on Shopify there's also, for example, my wonderful mug, which is an insulated mug. There is a tap or a lid with it. There comes a lid with it. And then some people like to drink with the lid on, so you can do that. Or I don't like that, but I wanted to have the option. So I like that very much. It says I Love to Grow by Polyglot Mona. Yeah, you can have that. So the mug, and also there's a planner on Shopify, which is this one, the I Love to Grow planner. And this one, which releases on 31st of October, is the Success Planner. It's also I Love to Grow, but it's I Love to Grow's Success Planner. And it's a rainbow design. And this one on Shopify, that's a blank inside. And the Success Planner is, I won't tell you, you have to check it out, how it's designed. So, and then I have eBay. And there are also my eBooks on eBay. So basically this middle part is my eBooks. And you can get them as a PDF or as in a Kindle format. And then on Amazon there's also a planner, and on Shopify there's another planner and a mug and a blanket, picnic blanket, and a beach towel with the same design as on the mug. This I love to grow. And on eBay there are the eBooks, and there are also my lessons. And on Patreon, on Patreon you can find everything except what is special on Amazon and Shopify. Okay, so this is Patreon. I should use an extra sheet for that, because you can't really see it. Okay, so eBay, and then that's Facebook, Insta, TikTok is more or less publicity. Well, it's social media. I will post something, good content about my life in my car, and then you can also see some links of my products. And SwiftUI, I program my app in it. That's extra. And GoPro means that I record what my native speakers recorded, but in this video you can see me where I talk in all the 6 languages, so extra video for each language on each of the channels. And then the short is just a short portion of this part, just for people who like shorts more. So that I sell that on Patreon as well. So you have different tiers on Patreon, and this also. And SwiftUI, this app for the App Store, I don't know when I can release it. I hope next year, because I don't know yet what I have to do to release the app. I have some code programmed, but I don't know how much will be enough or something. So I will write it on an extra page. So first I have the places where I sell. That's Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and Patreon. There's also my homepage, but my homepage is more or less social media, and social media is more or less publicity for all those things. So okay, so I will make those things here, like a flower. So this part of the flower are the eBooks. So you can get them on every platform. So on Amazon it's for Kindle, on eBay they are PDFs, on Shopify they are PDFs, and on Patreon they are PDFs. And they are designed, written, scripted by me, and there are videos on it, and you can get the videos on Patreon. And then I have a planner, which is the spiral planner. on Shopify, and I also have the I Love to Grow mug and the towel and the blanket. And on Patreon I have the eBooks and the videos, and I also have my lessons and my coaching. And on Amazon I also am releasing a planner, which is the Success Planner. It's releasing on the 31st of October. And there are also my favorite products. So that's basically the structure. And well, where can you get it? On Amazon, on eBay, on Patreon, and on Shopify. And what can you get there? The eBooks, my favorite products. The Success Planner, the Spiral Planner, the mug, the towel, the blanket, the coaching, and the lessons. I think the app will include all the products somehow, but I still have to find out how to do that. No idea whatsoever. I think it's always the most important to create the products first, and then like the tools how to get them. I like this flower. So that's my business. So, and I created these groups now. So the to-dos are clear because I always have to publish something on every platform. So how to publish on Amazon, I have to create a doc, I have to script and translate and correct it, and then from the doc I will make the ebook for Kindle. It's KDP. That's also how I made the Success Planner. And then when I want to have a planner or something on Shopify,